behind us. We are back at the motocross track in Riverside, Milestone. And actually, we were not gonna do a motorcycle vlog today because we did some yesterday. But because of all the, I'm gonna say politely, because of all the ridiculous comments that you guys have chosen to make, we decided to come back out to the track and set the record straight. There's a few of you who actually know what you're talking about when it comes to dirt bikes. I don't know much, but I certainly don't go flapping my jaws about something I don't know much about. But I do know about Rocco's bike because I bought it. So anyway, we're gonna explain to you. Yeah. It's a KTM 50 SXS. If you want more information on it, look it up. Very simple, people. It's an automatic. So we're gonna show you the bike now and explain to you that Rocco does not have to shift. It's a automatic. So, he doesn't have a handlebar clutch. He doesn't have gears at his feet. Because why, Rocco? Because it's an automatic. So, Rocco, let's give an overview of the bike. Here we go. All right. Let's start off by telling you it's a KTM. KTM. Rocco, what size KTM is this bike?
50cc SXS.
Okay. And can you show me where your clutch is?
Oh yeah, it's right.
Right. Here. It's right. Oh, that's right. We don't have a clutch. Why?
Because
it's an automatic.
Okay, so
Rocco, show them the shift.
Oh, show where you shift with your feet.
Here, see?
Where do you shift with your feet?
There.
Oh, is it on that side?
No, it's on this side. It's on this side.
Oh,
this
is the thing to shift gears with your feet on this side? No, it's not. Rocco, why isn't it? Because it's an automatic. Rebecca, do you know what kind of bike this is?
Automatic.
Right.
No,
Okay, Rebecca, how about that terrible old exhaust that makes this bike sound so crappy? You guys need a new
muffler.
Exhaust. No.
This is
a specialized exhaust system upgraded to the bike. Hey people, the muffler, the exhaust, whatever you want to call it, it's supposed to sound like that. Okay?
It's a racing automatic dirt bike.
Alright, so I think, do you guys understand what we're saying now? Are we, I'm not trying to be like sarcastic or mean, but if you're gonna comment about our videos or the dirt bike, please comment something you know. Comment something correct. Hey Rocco, did you say you're gonna start racing dirt bikes today?
No.
Do you want to race dirt bikes?
Yeah.
When do you think you should race dirt bikes?
When I'm better.
Right, are you the best?
No.
Have you ever said you're the best?
No.
Okay, so we're just setting the record straight on that. Rocco's been on this bike like 3 times, people. 3. He never has claimed to be the best. He's not even close. He barely knows what he's doing. We are like walking yo-yos around here, learning, but guess what? He wants to try. So that's why we're here. We're out here trying. And hopefully one day he will be good enough to race. Let's hope. All right, so now we're gonna take his automatic, yeah, that KTM automatic 50cc SXS, look it up, brand new dirt bike where the exhaust is exactly how it's supposed to be and it's shifting exactly how it's supposed to shift, and we're gonna go have some fun on it. If you want to watch, thumbs up to you. If you don't, turn it off. Enjoy.
Oh, we got some air that time.
Huh?
So, ooh, you got some air.
Oh my God, look at this kid. What is that bike? What is that?
It's a trial bike. They're electric.
Are you laughing? Look at that cool bike. Yeah. Needs to give it more gas. So Rocco ran out of gas.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to burn my leg. Here, want me to? I'll start it. Oh no, I just want to put gas in.
Who's driving? I don't know who's driving. Oh, he's driving.
Rocco, they're closed. Every time we have to put gas in when we're done riding. Am I done? Yeah, they're closed. Which I don't understand. The board says 9. When are you guys going to come back? Oh, as friendly as everybody is here, we come every day. Like, make a living on.
Alright guys, so that's today's wrap, and I just want to say thank you to these guys for
But
teaching
not
me
just,
how to
we're a
shift,
family vlog. We're not
shift the
just like
gears,
dirt
you
bike.
know.
We do every day.
And then here's our fans. So,
Can you even see if they're in?
so what's your Instagram name for shout outs?
N_A_27.
Alright.
N_A_27.
What's your Instagram?
Nimco21.
I thought your Instagram was something else.
Crawford. So.
No, just say it because I can't see it.
BACRAWFOOT.
Yeah.
Alright,
Like I said,
well,
we make.
thank you guys for teaching me how to shift
We were making.
on my automatic dirt
So when
bike.
we
Don't
when we
try
teach,
what I do. Don't try any one-handers and don't whip,
teach?
okay?
So your name was
Bryson.
Bryson and you're
Nicholas.
Nicholas,
Seth.
Seth, and of course Rocco. So we were out at the track today and these guys have been awesome. They helped him all day long. What'd they teach you how to do?
They teach me how to shift. I'm so proud.
Right? He learned how to shift his automatic. He used his gears. Can you guys believe that? He actually started using gears today on his automatic. It was wonderful. So now he's just being a little dirty kid. I like this. I know you like to try other tracks, Rocco, but this track seems to have the nicest people.
We got invited to his movie premiere. Just got done at the dirt bike track and we have to stop for a new soda. And Rocco said he wants to go in. Like that.
Rocco's going into Circle K in his Ethica underwear. Rocco is streaking Circle K.
Sir.
Sir, you have to leave the store. Oh, Sunny D's on that side, I think, of the store. Rocco, they're gonna kick you out. Go get your Sunny D.
You want a large?
Medium, and I'll get it back up. Okay, hold this over your
Kid in here with underwear.
Just hold it like that.
Stop.
Oh, he's got seconds. He's got seconds. Come on!
He won!
We'll have to explain to everybody why he's so excited. You made it by seconds, dude.
Oh my god!
Seconds.
You got so lucky! Holy cow!